Hi there. Hey, today we are making a classic summer memory with a vintage recipe. Yep, this one is still delicious. Guess what? It's a classic Watergate salad, so mind your peas and your marshmallows. Mind your peas and marshies. Grab your chair, grab your spoon, come along with me, let's make Watergate salad. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? So glad you could join us today in the kitchen. I am Wendy, your Kitchen Chaos Coordinator, and today we are making a salad that's going to go with dinner, but it's also considered a dessert. It's a classic Watergate salad. I don't know how many of you remember this salad. I remember this being a staple at almost every card game that my parents held. So again, we're going through the old cookbooks, and this is another one, an oldie but a goodie, brings back the nostalgia. And once you see how easy it is, you're thinking, wow, Grandma really did have it all together, didn't she? This is so easy. Okay, so don't get your notes app out. Don't get your pen and paper. You just go right to the description. Everything you need is right down below, and we'll put this together real quick. Here we go. All right, we're making classic Watergate salad, so mind your peas and marshmallows. P for pineapple. You're going to add your pineapple. One big can. Don't drain it. And you want a package of pistachio, I'm going to turn it this way so you can see it, pistachio pudding, and we're going to just add that together. That famous green color. And we're just going to stir to mix. How easy is this? Are you guys excited? It's been a lovely, lovely summer so far. And here we are getting in and out of the pool all the time. If you'll watch my last short, I made a quick chicken salad for everybody for lunch, and they're out there playing, and I want to make this for dessert. So, all right, look at that. Stirred that together. Next, pecans, about a half a cup. And a cup of mini marshmallows. Now, whoops, did Wendy go over the measurement a little bit? Measurements, always optional. Always optional. Can't go wrong with a little bit of extra marshmallow. Okay, so you can see these 4 ingredients are mixed together. How easy is this? What are we, 2.5 minutes into this? Last but not least, you're going to fold in a tub of Cool Whip. It seemed like all of Grandma's recipes had the Cool Whip and some kind of Jell-O or pudding mix. Oh, nice catch. Did I get it anywhere? Okay, good. Went a little heavy with that spoon, didn't I? That's all right. That's all right. We're going to fold this in. And then once I get this folded in, it needs to go in the fridge for about 2 hours. And then we'll come back and we'll serve it up. All right, we're back. It's been a little over an hour. Oh my gosh. We need smell-o-vision. This will smell, I was going to say it smells just like your grandma. No, it doesn't. This reminds me so much, though, of being at Grandma's house for those summer barbecues. This was always, always in a bowl somewhere. And I absolutely adored it. And here it is again. I am so thrilled. Thank you so much for being here with us today as we created this creamy, creamy summer memory. Stay tuned for a Zen moment. And if you don't mind, on your way, hitting that like button, it's the thumbs up. Just give us a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. That would be great. And subscribe if you haven't yet. We're almost there. I think we're at 403 today. And you know what? I'm this close to 500. If you just hit that button, that subscribe button, that would certainly put another seat on the bus. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Let me know if you made Watergate salad. and if you had it as you were growing up in the comments. All right, stay tuned. Zen moment on the way. See you later, my friends.